Good morning! How are you guys today? So I'm back again with a very interesting craft. Today what we are going to do is we're going to make this boat. We're going to make a boat. Okay, for making a boat, what do we need? We need some color papers, any color of your choice. I'm taking 4 colors because we're going to use 4 colors today to make that boat. You need a glue, a pencil, and a scissors, and a pair of scissors. Okay, now what you're going to do, take a paper like this, fold it, and make D, make Mama D like this. You need to make Mama D like this. Take your scissors. Remember, don't use the scissors without mommy's help. And you will start cutting the Mama D. Here you go. After cutting the D shape, now you're going to take the red color paper. You can make 2 circles using the glue cap like this. Okay. And you can fold the paper so you can have 2 circles at once. Take your scissors and cut it like this. You get 2 circles like this. Keep it aside. All right. Now you can take any other color. Make two rectangles like this. Okay. For these 2, you have to make it like this. You have to you can put 2 lines in the top and 1 line over here. Keep this aside. Okay. Now you can use this white paper. Okay. Take white color paper and cut another rectangle. Okay, like this. Get a rectangle like this. Okay, now we will start sticking them. Okay, and please don't forget you can take any other color, like a green color or some other color, and make a rectangle like this. Okay, so you need 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles and 2 circles. Okay? And for this one, you can use white color paper. Again, use the glue for making circle. Or you can make it by your hand, big circle. And you can cut it with the scissors. Now we have all the things to make the boat. Now you can use your glue. Here you go. Stick the white paper first. Then you can stick the green color one, the green rectangle at the back, like this. Okay. Take your circles, 2 circles, 1 and 2. And the other circle over here. There you go. Take this rectangle, put some glue over here, paste it at the back. Take this one, paste it over here. Ta-da! Our boat is ready. So here we have one nice boat. Now you can make this at your home and send me the picture in your Google Classroom. Okay? Bye-bye.